Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 2. Okay, on the part 1, I did a yarn unboxing and I started cast on with you guys chunky yarn, and I was showing you that I'm knitting this. By the way, knitting this yarn is the Lion brand homespun yarn. I bought it in a cone from Turkey where it's made, and then I did two strands. I knitted. Okay, yeah, it's a Lion brand homespun. It's really hard to knit with, but look at the end result. And I have another cone, and I divided the body parts. This is a plus size, oversized. Just want to point out. Okay, but like I'm designing this, I don't think it's out there because I'm making this up as I go. And it's going to be a blaze, what's it called? Blaze collar coat. So here is the other part that's I did cast on. And my mannequin is a medium size, just to show you, okay? But I notice that 12 stitches that I have added here, no, we're not gonna do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start all over, and then we do increases 9 times, so that's too much. So we're not gonna add this 9 stitches. I do have these numbers on my playlist, top down. I have done so many tutorials: small size, extra small, medium size, large size, extra large, and I gave you the numbers. Okay, so I'm just looking. The back is perfect. Here are the increases. There's one here, and there's one here. I think I did 15 stitches on the back because it's being chunky. It totally changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease this numbers as well. Again, this is for oversize, and then maybe make 12 stitches, yeah, instead of 15. And I think I did 6 for the sleeve area. So I know it's really hard to see, but I can see my increases. Can you see? So 6, I might do 4 here instead of 6. Yeah, because the sleeve is pretty big, and I started knitting one of the sleeves. I just need to knit the sleeves and then work on the body. So this way I can control the yarn and then finish it up. But I need to knit the sleeves first. So it's just going to be a regular V-neck that I do the cast on. So I'm not going to even add any stitches here. So do the increase and then increase, like we did 9 rows here. So I'm going to show you again step by step, so stay tuned for that. It's just that I wanted to show you this, how it looks like, because this is my sample, and I couldn't wait until I finish it. Can you see there's too much fabric here, but for an oversized, bulky, it's going to be nice. Think about it. So it's going to go like this, you know. I'm sure the end result would be fantastic. Even the collar is open, but it closes up, so nothing to worry about. I will let this go, and I'm hoping I have enough yarn. So like again, this is a trial, and so please bear with me. I'm sure the end result's going to be fantastic, and I just can't believe how it looks like. Look at this. Oh, I did 2 strand, just like here, 2 strand I've been knitting. And okay, I moved on to a 9mm knitting needle. Yeah, it's because I noticed the fabric was tight. I started with a 6 I started, and I went up, up, up. Now I'm on the 9. So I'm using these 13 prime. These are made in Germany. I have an unboxing for this in a review. It's a fantastic knitting needles, and yes, it does grip, so the stitches does not slide, and it's very comfortable to knit. But I'm using all my needles. So here's another Chiku one that I bought over 10 years ago. I can't see the numbers, but it's this one's a 9mm as well. I don't know why I can't see it. Sorry about that. Well, anyways, it's a 9, so I'm knitting with the 9. So I don't want to give you much details. I don't want you to be confused, so step by step I will show it to you. But this is the collar that I picked up stitches, and just goes well. I haven't blocked it, so it is curling up, but I'm sure when I block it, there's I think 10% wool in it, so it's nice and warm. And yeah, the 9 works way better, I noticed. Yeah, okay, so here's the collar. Again, I haven't blocked it, so it is curling up, but it's gonna, this I knitted about 5 inches from here to here, so 13 centimeter, I believe, 12 to 13 centimeter. And yeah, okay, so I will grab the Barbie pink and we'll start all over again.